Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine. I'm fine too. Students, today we are going to work on class 5, unit 9, lesson 1 and 2, activity A. But before going there, I'd like to recall something from your previous class. I think it was on writing a letter, right? So, let me ask you some questions. Can you tell me how many parts are there in a letter? Exactly. There are 5 parts. Thank you very much. Now, can you tell me what should we write in the heading of the letter? Exactly. You will write your address at the heading of the letter, right? Thank you very much. I hope everyone can write a letter now perfectly. So, dear students, now let's go to our today's lesson. Today we are going to work on Unit 9. I have already said that today we are going to work on Unit 9, Lesson 1 and 2. Now, let's have a picture on the screen. Please everybody have a look on the screen. Can you see the picture? Here we have some pictures, some people. Okay. First of all, who is the lady wearing the white uniform? Yes, she is a nurse. Very good. Now, can you guess who is he? Excellent. You know him very well. He's a farmer, right? Good. Now, the third person is carrying a bag and wearing a yellow uniform. Can you say who is he? Yes, he is the postman. Very good. Now, can you see this lady like me? Yes, she is a teacher. Excellent. Very good. Now, she is singing with a harmonium. She is a singer, right? So, can you see these people around us? তোমরা কি আমাদের আশপাশে এই ধরনের মানুষগুলোকে দেখো? Yes. They are the people of different occupations. So, students, today we are going to work on occupations. Today we are going to work on occupations. Say with me, occupations. Occupations. Very good. Students, now let's see another picture. Here is a picture. Please think for a while, what is the picture about? What's the picture about? I can help you. Here is a red car. A person is taking water from the car and trying to putting out the fire, right? And it's a building. The building is burning with fire and some people are watching this. Can you guess who is he? সে আগুন নেভাচ্ছে, তাই তো? Very good. He is a firefighter. Firefighters. Now say with me, firefighter. Firefighter. Again, firefighter. Firefighter কে? এই লোকটি যিনি আগুন নেভাচ্ছেন। তার মানে firefighter হচ্ছেন এমন একজন ব্যক্তি যিনি আগুন নেভান, তাই তো? Right. Firefighter. Say with me again, firefighter. Now, listen to me. We all are staying at our home today. Why? Why do you stay at home? Because of coronavirus. আমরা সবাই করোনা ভাইরাসের জন্য বাসায় বসে আছি। কেন? বাইরে যেতে ভয় পাচ্ছি, সেজন্য বাসায়, তাই তো? That means we are afraid. আমরা এখন ভয় পাচ্ছি। Let's see the next word. Afraid. Afraid. We are afraid. Okay? Say with me, afraid. Afraid. Again, afraid. Very good. Listen to me. When we are too much afraid, that time, what had happened? We just panicked. That means we are too much afraid. আমরা অনেক বেশি ভয় পেয়ে যাই তখন আমরা কি হই? Panicked হই. Let's see the next word. It's panic. Can you see the lady is screaming, right? সে অনেক বেশি ভয় পেয়েছে. That means the word is panic. Say with me, panic. 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 Very good. Now, students, you can see many people all around are giving some food items or ursulines or wearing masks to the helpless people. Who are they? যেই লোকগুলো helpless মানুষদেরকে সাহায্য করছেন, they are not getting any money, they are not getting any benefit. They just only helping. What do we call them? Yes, we call them volunteer. Now say with me, volunteer. The word is volunteer. Again, volunteer. Volunteer. Very good. Thank you. Students, let's check out what are the words we have learned today. Firefighter, volunteer, afraid, panic. Thank you. I hope you have understood the words. Now students, let's see another picture. And this picture is of your textbook. You have to open your book at page 34. Students, let's read the text. I will read the text aloud. You just listen to me. A long time ago, when Raju was in class 5, there was a fire in his school. Everyone was very afraid, but no one panicked. The teachers helped the students to leave the building quietly and safely. Soon, the firefighters came and put out the fire. Raju watched the firefighters from the schoolyard. He thought about the fire and the firefighters for a long time. After college, Raju joined a volunteer fire department. As a volunteer, he did not get any money for his work. As a volunteer, he didn't get any money for his work. But Raju didn't mind. Now, Raju is a full-time firefighter. It is his job. So, he earns money for it. Most of the time, his work is putting out fires. But he also teaches new firefighters about fire safety. He likes teaching very much. In his free time, Raju visits schools. He talks to students about fire safety. He tells them what to do if there is a fire. They shouldn't panic. They should listen to their teachers and leave the building quietly. Students, let's read it again from the beginning, okay? You just copy me in your book using your finger. Put the finger under the line and follow me. A long time ago, when Raju was in class 5, there was a fire in his school. Everyone was very afraid, but no one panicked. The teachers helped the students to leave the building quietly and safely. Soon the firefighters came and put out the fire. Raju watched the firefighters from the schoolyard. He thought about the fire and the firefighters for a long time. After college, Raju joined a volunteer fire department. As a volunteer, he didn't get any money for his work, but Raju didn't mind. Now, Raju is a full-time firefighter. It is his job, so he earns money for it. Most of the time, his work is putting out fires, but he also teaches new firefighters about safety. He likes teaching very much. In his free time, Raju visits schools. He talks to students about fire safety. He tells them what to do if there is a fire. They shouldn't panic. They should listen to their teachers and leave the building quietly. I think you have listened me carefully. So, it's your turn. Now you have to read the text by yourself and later on you have to answer some questions. Let's have the questions. Here I have given you 4 questions for you. Where did the fire take place? Where did the fire take place? Who helped the students to leave the building? Who helped the students to leave the building? Who put out the fire? Who put out the fire? Who watched the firefighters from the schoolyard? Who watched the firefighters from the schoolyard? These are the questions and you have to read the text again and try to find out the questions from the text. Please students, do it. Okay, students, I hope you have read very well and I think you got the answers as well, right? So let's check out the answers all together. চলো সবাই একসাথে আনসারটা একটু চেক করে নেই. Our first question was, where did the fire take place? The fire took place at Raju's school. The fire took place at Raju's school. As we have used here did, okay? That is why it became took. The fire took place at Raju's school. Who helped the students to leave the building? The teachers. The teachers helped the students to leave the building. Good. Who put out the fire? The firefighters put out the fire. Firefighters put out the fire. Who watched the firefighters from the schoolyard? Raju watched the firefighters from the schoolyard. Raju watched the firefighters from the schoolyard. Students, I hope everyone has read the text and tried to find out the answers of the questions. If not, don't worry, you have time to read the text at your home. It's your homework time now. So, the homework is you have to go through the text again and again at staying at your home. তোমাদেরকে এই টেক্সটটি বাসায় বসে অনেকবার পড়তে হবে. যদি কেউ আনসারগুলো খুঁজে পেয়ে না থাকো, please try to get the answers from the text while you read the text at your home. Okay, students, that's all for today. You have to be conscious about staying at your home. Thank you very much.